Page 47, theme from Symphony No. 5, Opus 95, from the second movement by Dvorák. The symphony is also known as the New World Symphony. And this melody has words, somebody added words to it later on. It's also known as Long, Long Ago. Beautiful piece of music. I encourage you to go listen to it. So other than the dotted rhythms and the hands move around a little bit, there's not a lot here. It's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you're here and you have some accidentals occasionally in the second line, second measure in the left hand. It goes up to here. You can do it 2 or on that D if you want, because in the next measure you got a 3E. C-E. 3 on the C. Read between my lips, I'll get it. And then third line we come down, both hands down here. So you got to be able to move from here to here. Quickly. Both hands. No rest or nothing. You have to practice that. Third line's repeated, so you play it twice, and then again you got to move again. You come from here, now you got to go down to here. It's like you were at the beginning, except you're an octave lower here. And make sure you bring out the right hand. That's where the melody is here. So just play it a little louder. The whole piece is kind of soft. It's nice. Last line, you're starting out here, and the right hand is staying right where it is. The left hand has to come up. Left hand is here, so you got to come up to here in the left hand, so you're here. Watch the finger. Now the right hand comes up. Now this is a little awkward here, the last 2 measures in the right hand. Because you want to connect the melody. There's no pedal. There's a couple ways we can do this. The half note right before it is 5th finger. You're going to lift up because it's a new phrase. You can, if you want, play it with 5th finger again. Then you can reach down and get the E with the 3rd finger, and now you can play it comfortably here. And that works. That's fine. Another way of doing it is a little more adventurous. Is go ahead and play the A with 4th finger, and you can reach down the 2nd finger and do a 1-3 or 1-4. Either one, or you can cross over and do a 2-5. I recommend you start with 5th finger. Do the 5th finger on the next to the last measure, and then you can do a 3 or a 2, and then a 1-4. If you do a 3, you can do a 1-5 on the last chord. The point is connect them. It's all legato. So we have to adjust our fingering to make us play it legato, or to allow us to play it legato. And on the third line down, you see at the beginning they have a 1 MP, 2 P. This is their style of telling you that the first time you play it, the melodies should be medium soft, mezzo piano, and when you repeat it, doing it the second time, then the melodies should be soft. And the left hand has to stay softer than whatever. It's the melody we're talking about. Most publishers, when they do this, you would see an MP-P, and that's how they would indicate the different dynamic levels when you're going to play something more than once. So let's try this out slowly. It is a very slow piece. Largo is really slow. The right hand's here, left hand's here. I'll give us 4 counts since it's in 4/4 time. 1, 2, ready, go. And 2, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 4, and 2, and 4, and 2. 2, 3, 4. 3, repeat. 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, and 4, in 2, 4, 1 and 2, and 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 4, and 2, 4, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, off.